Hello, my name is swissbianco. This time I would like to show you the brand new black Farmer Swiss Army knife. It's made by Victorinox, exclusive for swissbianco, and the first run was 27 pieces only. You know the Farmer Swiss Army knife, it usually comes in a silver color. Some few were made in red, in blue, and of course we did also a couple in a splash, like this US flag splash. The black one that we want to show here, it's made with aluminum scales that are nice, black, durable, hard anodized. They feature the silver Victorinox logo on the front. On the back side you have an engraving plate. The Farmer Swiss Army knife featured the basic 5 tools: the main blade, the awl, the big screwdriver with bottle opener, the small screwdriver with the can opener, and the wood saw. This limited edition is available only from swissbianco.